Hey there! If you're a warehouse manager looking to streamline your operations, you've probably faced challenges with managing trucks and materials inflow and outflow. Well, I've got some exciting news for you today. I'm here to introduce a game changer in warehouse management, WIMS, which stands for Warehouse Inbound Management Software. This isn't just any software. It's a robust tool designed to transform how you handle logistics from the ground up. Let's dive into how it works and why it's a must-have in your management toolkit. First off, the software simplifies the initial stages of logistics, capturing the vehicle, invoice, and material details right at your gate. No more manual entries, no more errors. Everything is digital, everything is accurate. But it doesn't stop there. After unloading, WIMS takes over the tedious task of capturing crucial data like the goods receipt note number, SAP posting time, and the put-away time of the materials. Imagine all these processes streamlined into one seamless flow. That's efficiency at its best. Now let's talk about audits. We all know how stressful and time-consuming they can be, right? Well, WIMS comes packed with data crucial for audit purposes. This means faster audits, better compliance, and less headache for you and your team. And for those who love visual aids, the digital dashboards are a treat. They offer clear, concise data visualization. This isn't just numbers and text. It's a strategic overview of your operations, allowing you to make informed decisions quickly and effectively. So, whether you're looking to optimize your workflow, improve accuracy, or simplify audits, WIMS has got your back. It's more than just a tool. It's your partner in transforming warehouse operations. Don't just take my word for it. Try it out and see the difference it makes in your daily operations. Streamline your workflow, enhance productivity, and take your warehouse management to the next level. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to revolutionizing your warehouse operations.